Number 1.
1996 Chevrolet 15,000, price $6,000, features an automatic transmission paired with a 5.7L engine.
The truck comes in blue exterior paint with a matching blue interior, and it runs on gasoline.
It has been lowered, equipped with a C-notched rear, and includes a posy rear end. The owner reports that both the engine and transmission have been replaced, and every sensor related to them has also been renewed. The engine harness has been replaced as well, and it comes with a brand new battery. The truck reportedly runs and drives great, with the paint and interior both in excellent condition. A number of new parts are included: updated door pins, a rear sliding power window, a new ignition switch, a new ignition tumbler with keys, and a new turn signal selector. It also has no engine warning lights, highlighting its clean mechanical condition.
Number 2.
1978 Ford F150, price $7,500. Comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a classic red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving it a clean and period-correct appearance. Powered by a 351 V8 engine, it runs on gasoline and offers the solid, traditional driving feel expected from a late 70s Ford truck. According to the owner, the vehicle still runs and drives, though it would benefit from a bit of mechanical attention to bring it back to its full potential. The truck is currently registered in Delaware as an antique, with valid tagging through July 2026, adding to its appeal for collectors and enthusiasts. A few issues have been noted. The fuel filler neck needs to be replaced, the oil dipstick requires repair, and there is a small fuel leak present in the engine compartment.
Number 3.
1995 Ford F150, price $5,500, with 195,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a clean gold exterior paired with a tan interior, running on gasoline. The truck is a rust-free, two-wheel drive model with no body damage, reflecting how well it has been cared for over the years. Despite the truck's overall mileage, both the 5.0L engine and the automatic transmission were professionally rebuilt about 7 years ago, and since then they have accumulated only around 70,000 miles, giving the truck a much fresher mechanical feel than its age suggests. On the road, it performs smoothly and reliably, running strong and sounding almost like a new truck. It starts easily, drives confidently, and doesn't require any immediate repairs. Truly a truck that needs nothing and is ready for long trips or daily use.
Number 4.
1993 Ford F150, price $7,500, showing approximately 200,000 miles on its gasoline-powered 300 inline-6 engine. It is equipped with a 5-speed manual gearbox and has recently received several upgrades, including a new 2.5-inch lift and a set of 33 by 12.50 tires with less than 2,000 miles of use. The truck rides on factory Alcoa wheels, and the owner also includes the original front hub covers. Mechanically, the truck has been refreshed with new U-joints on both the 4x4 and rear drive shafts, new 4x4 hubs with an additional spare set, and new tie rod ends. The heater blows strong hot air, while the air conditioning produces cool, though not fully cold, air. The 4x4 system functions properly even though the dashboard indicator light does not illuminate.
Number 5.
1967 Ford F100, price $7,500, equipped with a manual transmission and a gasoline-powered 360 Ci engine.
Finished in diamond blue, the truck features a matching gray interior that complements its vintage look.
It runs and drives reliably, thanks in part to regular upkeep, including a new alternator and brake components installed just last year. The column-shifted 3-speed transmission, also known as 3 on the tree, operates smoothly and adds to the authentic driving feel typical of this era. All exterior lights function properly, and the heater remains fully operational, making the truck comfortable to use in various conditions. Although there are a few primer spots near the rear taillight area, the body still presents well overall and maintains much of its original charm, with its solid drivetrain, working features, and classic diamond blue finish.
Number 6.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000. It has 236,000 miles on the body and features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior, a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. It is powered by a 350 crate motor with only 80,000 miles, and the transmission operates perfectly. The truck has been upgraded with new front suspension, React 2-inch drop spindles, and 1-inch drop coils, while the rear has been fitted with a flip kit and a C-notch for improved stance and ride quality. It also has all new front brakes and low-mileage rear brakes, along with 4 tires that have only about 5,000 miles on them. The heat is very strong, and the AC blows ice cold. Additional updates include new window tint, a new sliding rear glass, and new dual exhaust. Features such as cruise control and tilt steering are fully functional.
Number 7.
1992 Ford F150, price $5,500. It has approximately 200,000 miles on it and runs with an automatic transmission. The truck features a matching red exterior and red interior, and it uses gasoline as its fuel type. It is a rust-free example. There is absolutely no rust anywhere on the body. The truck comes equipped with good tires and solid brakes, and it includes a fiberglass bed cover as well as a trailer hitch. It is a two-wheel drive model powered by a straight six-cylinder engine, and it starts right up without hesitation. The wheels are in nice condition overall. Although the truck isn't perfect and shows normal age-related wear for a 1992 model, it remains in very good shape for its year. The only noted issue is an exhaust leak.
Number 8.
1999 Ford F250, price $4,850, comes equipped with the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine, paired with a smooth automatic transmission, making it a strong and reliable choice for both work and daily driving. The truck has approximately 265,000 miles, and despite the mileage, it remains solid and dependable. It carries a green exterior with a matching gray interior, giving it a classic, rugged appearance. The seller notes that it runs and drives well with no blow-by, which is a strong indicator of good engine health for a 7.3 Powerstroke. It has also been recently refreshed with new tires and new batteries, so it is ready for immediate use without additional maintenance.
The truck is being offered with a clean title, adding confidence and transparency for the next owner. Number 9.
1987 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,500, comes with a manual transmission and a brown exterior paired with a matching brown interior, running on gasoline. It's equipped with dual CB radios, and its dual antennas whip in the wind while allowing the driver to tune in to every country station with ease. If the driver ever forgets how many gears there are to grind, the large number 4 printed on the shift knob serves as a bold reminder. For anyone feeling thirsty for some mudding with the boys, the core-style lever engages for low, delivering the kind of off-road fun this old Dodge is known for. Just remember to sling responsibly. And in case an emergency ever breaks out, the truck includes a built-in fire extinguisher, perfect for handling the occasional polycarb backfire or any surprise that might arise from a classic Dodge wiring harness.
Number 10.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500, features an automatic transmission, a red exterior with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has a great ownership history. Originally from Washington State, it stayed with its first owner from 1974 until 2007. The seller still has the original dealership paperwork from when it was purchased new. It is powered by its original 350 V8 engine paired with the factory 350 turbo automatic transmission. It is also a factory air conditioning truck. Recent upgrades include a new 3/5 suspension drop with tubular control arms, all new brakes, a new driveline, and a new MagnaFlow exhaust system. The truck does need new tires, as the current set nearly caused it to get stuck in the yard, which explains why they appear dirty. The windshield is cracked, and although the truck does have some rust, it remains solid in all the important structural areas.